I'm joined by Chris Gunter right on the final whistle. Straight tough night, Chris. What are your thoughts after that?
Yeah, which we knew at times it was going to be difficult, and two good teams going at it, and I think it's important for us to reflect on the things that we've done well, and obviously the things that we can improve on. I thought second half there was loads of good moments and opportunities for us. Top international games are about moments in both boxes, and unfortunately we've obviously fallen on the wrong side. So it's about now for young players of dealing with that, overcoming it. We've still got 2 games of the group left, and the most important thing now is obviously, learning from today, and then, ready for Saturday as well.
I know it must sound like a cliche. We're good at the cliches, but how much will they have learnt from tonight?
Yeah, loads, and we know that. You want to learn loads by everything going well and winning the game, of course, and being greedy from that. I thought in the first half, I think we as a whole, we needed to show a little bit more belief in what we wanted to do. Second half looked a lot better, a lot more like what we wanted it to, and then there's opportunities to come from that. So, yeah, definitely things, for us to improve on, and the most important thing for our young players now is for that to happen.
Some top performances as well, individual performances. Goalkeeper Lewis Benjamin's been named man of the match. He had a decent night, fair play. Yeah,
Benji was outstanding, and against good teams, and like I said, in top level international football, you need your goalkeeper to produce moments and big saves, and I thought he was outstanding in all aspects of the game. Across the team there was individual good performances. You always want more, but yeah, it's important now for us to remain calm, to reflect on it, and then, like I said, move forward from that.
Yeah, and that happens very quickly. Of course, games coming thick and fast. Doesn't get any easier. Portugal coming up. Another great challenge.
Absolutely, that's what we want. That's why we want to be in the elite round. We want to be in the later stages of competitions to play against top nations and try and compete at that level. And that's exactly what we want, for us all to improve and go up against that. So that's absolutely what we want from it. And yeah, like I said, now the important thing is the recovery. They look like there were some tired bodies towards the end, so another part of your learning is how you recover from that and make sure we're ready to go and be even better than we was tonight on Saturday.
And despite the results, it's been a great night in North Wales. A lot of the young fans here really enjoyed themselves.
Yeah, and I have to say, in terms of the support, the Welsh public, from my experiences over the years, never ever let you down. And tonight to sell out this stadium, for them to get that experience, yeah, massive thank you for them to come out and now obviously, ask them to do the same on Saturday at Rill and really get behind the boys for that. But a massive thank you, on behalf of myself and the squad. Yeah,
you've had to do a chin-up before after an England game. You don't need to do that tonight, I'm sure.
No, but yeah, we have to take it. We have to take it on the chin, and that's part of it for all of us.
Chris, thanks very much.
Thank you very much.
For your time. Look forward to following you all week as well.